What if I told you that AI existed long before machine learning and it didn't learn anything at all? No data, no training, and no neural networks. Yet, it could diagnose diseases, approve loans, and make expert level decisions. This was called a rule based expert system, the original form of artificial intelligence. And understanding it will actually make you understand modern AI better. Back in the early days of AI, the goal was simple. Can we make a computer think like an expert? Experts, doctors, engineers, analysts all follow logical rules. If the patient has symptoms A and B, do X. If condition Y is true, choose option Z. So researchers had an idea. What if we extract these rules and give them to a computer? That idea became expert systems. At its heart, a rule-based expert system has three main parts. First, the knowledge base. This is just a large collection of rules. If temperature is bigger than 38 Celsius, it's possible fever. If fever and cough, it's possible infection. Just basically human knowledge written as logic. Second, the inference engine. This is the thinking part. It checks which rules apply, which conditions are true, and what conclusions to reach. Think of it like a logical referee. Third, the user interface. This is how humans interact with the system. You answer questions, the system gives advice or decisions. No learning, no guessing, just pure logic. There are two ways these systems reason. First, forward chaining. Start with known facts, apply rules, and reach conclusions. Used when you want to see what will happen next. Second, backward chaining. Start with a goal, work backwards, and then check if facts support it. Use in diagnosis or decision verification. This is surprisingly powerful and very deterministic. Rule based expert systems were used in medical diagnosis, industrial fault detection, business decision automation, early financial systems. For the first time, computer acted like specialists. So, why we don't hear about them anymore? The problem was scale. As systems grew, rules became thousands, then millions. Rules started conflicting. Updating knowledge became painfully slow. This was called the knowledge acquisition bottleneck. Also, these systems couldn't handle uncertainty well, couldn't adapt to new situations, couldn't learn from mistakes. The world was messy, rules were rigid, and that's when machine learning took over. But here is the twist. Rule based systems never disappeared. They are still used in business logic engines, validation systems, security rules, AI safety constraints, hybrid AI systems combined with ML. Even modern AI systems rely on rules around the model. So before neural networks learned patterns, rules taught machines how to think. Rule-based expert systems were not dumb AI. They were precise, logical, and explainable, and understanding them helps you see what modern AI gained and what it actually lost. If you want to understand AI deeply, you don't start with ChatGPT, you start with rules. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.